Konnichiwa. Do you want to save money? Do you want to control your expenses? Then this is the video for you on how to save money the Japanese way. I really love this Japanese concept called kakeibo. It is the art of saving money. So to begin with, ask these four things to yourself. What is my total income? What are the expenses I'm incurring? How do I wish to save money? How to start my savings journey? And ask yourself if you are maintaining a proper accounts ledger. This kakeibo was started by Hinomoto and it's nothing but household financial ledger helping you to save money. So if you see the concept behind this, my income, I'm taking it to be rupees 50,000. This is just an example to make you understand the concept behind kakeibo and how to save. So your income is 50,000 and your fixed expenses, for example, your rent, your grocery shopping and all of that, the fixed expenses is 20,000. And how much money do you want to save? That is from your income. If I'm earning 50,000 and I would like to save 5% of my income, it is going to give me 2,500 for that month. And expenses, the amount you can actually spend for your other entertainment needs, or be it shopping, or be it some other like helping a friend or helping anybody. These expenses are going to be the total of income minus fixed expenses minus savings. Here an important point to note is your fixed expenses remain the same. It's very important. So you need to finish that task first and allot the required money. And your savings, very, very important, because you want to develop this habit to save money. So you are going to set aside this 5% of your income strictly. So the rest of the amount is going to be. So the calculation is pretty simple. 50,000 is my earning for that month. I'm going to minus the 2,500, 5% which I'm going to save, and minus the 20,000 which is going to be the fixed expenses that I have allotted my money for. The total is going to be 27,500. Now here is the total of 27,500 rupees that is going to be the expenses that I can actually spend for that month. In a month there are totally 4 weeks. So divide it further, divided by 4, that is going to give me 6,875 rupees. So in a particular week and the upcoming weeks, my expenses should not strictly exceed 6,875 rupees. This might look like a simple concept, but let's start practicing it right away. Arigato gozaimasu. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to Learn with Harini.